This is a review of the Fullnix motion sensor wall lights that I'm going to be doing a review about. And this review, we're going to show you guys everything about these motion sensor wall lights. And not just that, but we are also going to install these as well too. Now, one of the main key points I do want to mention is that it's a motion sensor detection. So if you're walking by, it's going to go turn on. It has 3 color temperatures, so 3 different types of colors, 15 RGB colors. So it's going to do like red, green, blue, yellow, all types of different colors. And then not just that, but you can have it set from warm white to cold white. So you can have like yellowish type of color. You can have it cold white, all the way white. You can have like that, like you see what it says on the box. But yeah, without going further, we're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. And we are also going to install this. So without going further, let's get down to it and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I got the package unboxed to show you guys what you get from the display. So what you get is you get 2 of these lights. So like I told you guys, it comes in a pair. And right from here, we get the remote control. So pretty much you click the on and off button. You could change the colors like I told you guys, 15 RGB colors. And from there, we get the hardware and pretty much all the stuff that you need to install it. And it does come with the USB in case if you have to charge it up. It comes with that as well too, which I'll show you guys and take it out from the package after that. But yeah, showing from there, if you turn this button right over here, it turns on and you can see how beautiful that white color is. Absolutely bright. The videos doesn't do the justice on how bright this thing is. Let me go turn this one on right over here. Extremely bright, as you can see. But yeah, now just seeing it from here, what we're going to do now is we're going to install this and show you guys the finished results on how it is. I'm going to mount this on in my living room. And from there, we're going to show you guys the finished results. So without going further, let's pretty much install this and show you guys how it is once the job is finished. Okay, so what I did now, I used the wall mount screws instead. There's 2 ways, the adhesive one or the wall mount screws. So I opted for the wall mount screws because I usually prefer to drill stuff instead. So you pretty much drill stuff wherever the mounting location is. From there, you screw it up. And from there, you pretty much get your wall mount, stick it on like that. And then right over here, it's nice and sturdy. It's not going to go move around everywhere. And now I have a pair, so a set of 2. So let me do it on the left side. And then from there, I'm going to show you guys, how it is when the job is finished. But yeah, let me go do that and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so this is the finished results of these wall lights. It's very relatively easy to install, and I'll show you guys that why. So when it comes to time to charge it up, you just have to pull it up just like that. Right over here, you can see just like that, it comes off very easy. And to charge it up, all you have to do is use a USB-C charger, and it comes like that. And then when you put it back on, you should hear a click when you put it back on, and it should be just like that. Yeah, just like that. And also not just that, but 15 RGB colors, which I'll show you guys. So when I click this, you could do it red. So red looks really phenomenal. I love the color red. Then we get other color modes as well too. So we get purple, we get this color, we get blue, this color right here. So it's like a purplish color. Then we get this one. This is all these colors. Green, it looks really phenomenal. Blue, we get this and that. And I do want to say it does come with the RF wireless remote too, but usually, doing it this way is also good too. And you can do it the manually way as well too. So this is red, but I have it on the other side and I'll show you guys the other side, the results. So I'm going to keep the color red and show you guys how it looks like. Okay, so this right here is the finished results of the indoor lighting, and you can see here I have it both in white, and it was very simple and easy to install. There was not much anything to do. It comes with a RF wireless remote, so right over here we could change the colors to pretty much from here. So we have it on white, and there's 3 different colors. You can have it like in a yellowish color, then there's another color you could do, and then usually I put it on white because white is pretty much more brighter inside of my living room. And right over here we do have, like I told you guys, different RGB color effects. So it could do like red, green, blue, yellow, different mixture of colors, a whole lot of I think about 15 RGB colors if I'm not mistaken. And when I hit this button right over here where it says color, so I hit it like this and I keep pressing it right over here. So what I see, as you can see here, so we get like a yellow color right over here, then we get green, we get blue. So if I hit this button right over here again, then we get a different type of color right over here. Then we get all sorts of colors we get. And I could do that right over here. Just press this button right over here, like press it right over there, and then you could just have it like that. You could have it in red, purple, and a lot of different series of colors. And you could pretty much change it to there's an aqua blue, then there's a blue color, a lot of color effects. And I'm overall happy with this product because of the fact that it was very easy to install. Pretty much you had to drill the holes and mount it up, and from there you Really easy install. It comes with the adhesive. You can use that as well too, but I wanted a permanent install, so I used the mounting brackets and the screws, and I have it mounted on. And it is extremely bright too, and it has different, yeah, also has a motion sensor. So what that means is that if you come close to it, like at night, like pretty much if someone's sleeping, then it'll automatically turn off. There's a motion sensor detection. Then if there's any sort of someone walking around, then it's gonna turn on, that really is a huge plus and a cool feature that this thing has. But overall, if you're looking for a indoor lighting to change the whole ambience to your home, your whole exterior of your indoor of your home, then this product right over here is probably one of the best products you could get. And I overall would definitely and highly recommend this product because it changes the whole appearance to your home and it gives a different vibe to your home.